Check your map, Mario. That princess should be close. Ooh, wow, it's a mermaid Peach. Too bad she's taken. Calm down, Bowser. She just needed a plumber. What a mess! Good thing he's got Luigi to help. It's a messy job, but someone's got to do it. Look, he's left us a clam. Pearl included. This should really spruce up this seat. Now let's add a tail. A fishnet's always fashionable. Especially when you add some glitter. This brings new meaning to coin scales. For the final touch, let's spruce up these plungers. Licorice is so sweet and useful too. Heat it up and you can write with it. Or draw up a familiar face. Add a stick and it's a lollipop. Unless, of course, you'd prefer a pair of cake toppers. This is why I drink straight from the bottle. But a bottomless cup can still be fun. Draw something on clear tape. Place on the cup. Add light to the other end. It's a mini projector in the palm of your hand. Really comes in handy when making murals. Just needs one final touch. Her lips! Let's just hope Peach isn't watching. Look at that pile. What could be underneath? It's a balloon! And even better, toilet paper. Let's bring these two together. A few stickers couldn't hurt either. Just a few more layers. And we're almost done. Once it hardens, you can pop the balloon. Add a face, and it's a ghost. And a pretty neat lampshade, too. Of all the days for you to forget your shoes to work. These blocks owe us time for a craft. Add gelatin and soda to make a block inside. With enough colors, you can make pixel art. And look, they're so squishy. More importantly, they're good enough to eat. Careful now! Oh no, we need to get organized and fast. Let's take some cardboard and make a box. It still needs that special touch. Great idea! That stash brings it all together. You're now the proud owner of a candy machine. Your next treat's just a button push away. Ooh, more treasures, like this plastic box. Works great for tracing things. Wow, it's a perfect likeness. Now let's shrink it down to size. Told you to eat your mushrooms. Who else should we trace? King Koopa don't it look so tough now. Okay, maybe just a little. Well, these walls have seen better days. Let's fix them up. Some paper plates can cover these holes. Line them up together and they look like tiles. Or if you prefer, giant pixels. Hey, was that a cup? Let's follow it. You know, I'd pick from the top. Never mind. Let's make some cuts in this paper cup. Wrap up 2 bottle caps together. And hook them up to the cup. And start rolling. Now we've got a mushroom with a need for speed. So anyone up for a race? What's in here? Coins, shell? Careful with that. It's... Oh, and Bowser. Don't cry, Mario. There's always Pauline. Well, we can use this photo for our next craft. Make a hole and add a balloon on back. Tape it down and add something to push. Now she can blow you a big bubble. Oh no, the sky is falling. That chicken was right. Wait, no, it's just cardboard. Let's make some mystery boxes. Stack them up together in a row. So, what are you waiting for? Let's collect some coins. Hey, don't sit there. Those are Yoshi's eggs. Great, now what is he gonna have for breakfast? It's okay. Take a balloon and fill it with glitter. Make some slits along the outer balloon. Now fill it up with glitter water before tying it up. It's a Yoshi egg stress ball. It's even got spots like a real Yoshi egg. I just know these will cheer Yoshi up. But back to breakfast. Are we ordering out? What's under this mystery box? Flowers. Pretty, but not exactly Mario's style. Cut out some white circles. And add to a pair of white slippers. Put them together and it's a fire piranha plant. Then along came a spider. Hey, careful, your toast. Oh, your photo's all messed up. Looks like Peach is in need of a makeover. Draw different patterns around this cup. Anything you can imagine. And now Peach can get a new dress. Just like that. Wow, it's our own little Mario world. I guess it's time for the big unveiling. Hello, Mermaid Peach. Sit on your throne. And the piece de resistance. Your new crown. Just give it a nice regal shape. And add some glitter and gold. Don't forget a few crown jewels. Now it's time for your crowning glory. Ooh, she likes the toys we've made too. Let's take this ghost hour for a spin. Don't worry, it doesn't bite. It's just shoes. Yeah, I think Mario can be pretty sweet too. So, did Mario get the girl in the end? What do you think?
Ooh, things seem awfully spooky today. Let's try to find a familiar face. Hey, it's A. I almost didn't recognize him. Some toothpaste and a good scrub. We'll fix up that leg. Now the other one. It's time to get plucking. Oh, that eye! He's gonna need a new one. Look, it's a giant doll! And she needs our help. We need to fix up her doll head. Use some clay to make her some teeth. All the better to, well, you know the rest. Some nice lips to cover it all up. And a nice tongue for taste. Don't forget her evil eye either. She's like a brand new doll. There's a special surprise inside this toilet. An even tinier toilet with a lollipop. Let's cover it up with clay. And carve ourselves a face. Let's add a nice big mouth. And some hair on top too. Now we've got our own head in a toilet. Lawn care's a breeze with this gizmo. And I think it cuts trees. Here's an idea. Make an impression of a pop tube. And some arms and legs, too. Fill it up with melted wax. Soon it will harden into a new body. Now let's use a chain to make another chainsaw. This one's got spikes. Now add to the doll. Add the first toy for a new kind of action figure. Look, a spider, and he wants to share his legs. Now take a toilet paper roll. Squeeze a balloon inside. And why not draw a face on top? It's just what our toy train needs. And the spider legs too, of course. Now let's get things rolling. Whoa, happy birthday! But look, that banana's got a toothache. Mix some dental beads into water. And we've made a brand new tooth. Mold it into place and help it harden. While we're at it, let's make some braces too. Well, that's one way to open a door. Ooh, do you need a bucket? Either way, let's add some plasticine. Now add a pair of arms with hands on each end. What he needs now is a familiar face. Just with more bite and drool. And glowing eyes are just classy. Look, a doll. Why don't we give her a makeover? And I mean the full body treatment, thanks to our handy pool noodle. Now add a needle and thread to weave up a head of hair. Now she'll need some teeth. And maybe a pair of arms. Now she can really move. What's in the rocking chair? Oh, an old book. Remember, don't judge it by its cover, because we're making a new one. It needs some nice big eyeballs. And we want a book with bite. Oh, I think it's hungry. Good thing we've got more eyeballs. Grimace really has a hold on people. I have an idea. Drop an eyeball into a big balloon. I said big. Once more, let's draw up some faces. This time, let the creative juices flow. Like whipping up a whole monster mash. Guess she's not a vampire. Turn around. Oh no! A Pennywise balloon! Let's wrap him up with a bandage and pour on some clear glue. Spread it around and add a face. It's a ghost and a nightlight all in one.
Rise and shine! Having a bit of a rough patch, huh? Can't quite put my finger on it, but today's vibe is looking pretty darn good. What did you get? A golden ticket! Wow, those numbers are going to be a breeze to remember. Time to embark on a delightful shopping spree. The toy store is in for a surprise! And just in time, let's give this room a total makeover. Fantastic paint! Finally an excuse to unleash our inner artist on the walls. Or, well, paint them. Sweet! We've got every color of the rainbow, indigo included. Who doesn't adore indigo? Those straight lines are neat, but I sense some mischief brewing. Maybe she's getting her palm read. Get it? Ooh, adding handprints seems easy enough. You've definitely got to hand it to this girl. Oh, and they're in different colors, too.
Ooh.
Look at that. It's all coming together in a pattern. Now, what's the deal with these cobwebs? Fingers crossed she brought some spider repellent. Where's the Green Goblin when you need him? Even better, Hobbit toys. We can use them to cover the wall. And keep that rainbow pattern alive, too. Okay, maybe not the entire wall, but we can create a cool shape in the corner. Perfect for unwinding. Just pop some bubbles that don't actually pop. The fun is endless. Oh, that wallpaper! Sure, the rips add a nice touch, but that color shudders. Ooh, what's she gonna do with that pool noodle?
Wow.
Oh, all right, tear it up, I guess. Does anyone else notice a theme developing in this room? And no, it's not pasta. It just needs that extra special something. And it's inside that pillow. And that adorable little cloud covers up that smudge really well, too. Looks like we're not finished. LED strips make for the perfect nightlight. I wonder if we can fashion something out of the cart. Oh, a paint roller! Even better, a patterned paint roller. And it's bigger, too. Always a good sign. Of course, every top-notch paint roller, patterned or not, needs quality paint. It's even better when you can mix more than one color. Adds a real flair to the pattern. Yeah, blue and gold were my school colors.
Yes.
Still, feels like something's missing. Wow, a rainbow ring!
Wow.
Fun to play with, and even more fun hanging from the ceiling. Cool, it's like something straight out of a funhouse. Uh-oh, looks like you broke that chair, Goldilocks. Got something to fix it? Wow, with that pin, you can sketch a new chair. Or at least mend the leg. Huh, it's like drawing with hot mustard. Wouldn't eat that, though. And all your new plush pals can serve as some comfy cushions. Let's hope there's enough space for everyone, including you. Don't forget the arms. Fingers crossed she didn't go overboard. Perfect. Puzzle pieces, and they look easy to piece together, too. You know what would go well with this? The floor. Or at least maybe a corner for now. Create a pattern. But that doesn't mean we can't personalize. Cue the stencils and spray paint. Let's see. Right hand green, left hand blue, right foot red, left foot yellow. Nice! Now you're always ready for a game of Twister, even solo. Where did those balloons come from? Ooh, a vacuum bag! It's the perfect solution for all those balloons scattered around. Okay, let's count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's suck out all that excess air. Wait, I counted 5 balloons? And you've got a new mattress? Even better, make enough, and you've got yourself a brand new bed. Probably doubles as a massage chair, too. What's up next? Nice fabric. We could make a dress, use it as a bed sheet, pretend to be a ghost. Or lay it on the floor and tie it to a yellow ring. Great idea! What's better than a balloon bed? A canopy balloon bed! Look at that Lego! You really don't want to step on one that big. On second thought, you really don't want to step on all those little ones either. Cool! She fashioned a table. And seats. Either way, with a room this splendid, it's time for a housewarming party. Oh good, they added cushions on top. And the best parties include nap times. Don't forget the mess part. Plenty of people for a game of Twister. Not to mention enough folks to start dancing with. Bravo! Seriously impressive. Home makeover magic. Catch you next time. Heads up, unless you're a clown, then it's a total loss. Either way, I'm pretty sure it's not meant for munching. Well, if you're gonna chow down on things that resemble sweets, might as well kick off the candy construction project. Enjoy. Just resist the urge to nibble on the tube. Rub time. Ketchup? Always a struggle. At least it's not stuck in the bottle. No worries, this little piggy's got your back. Grab the dispenser and load it up with ketchup. Fill her up and reconnect, Mr. Piggy. Now ketchup is just a press away. Not a ketchup fan? Use any sauce you fancy. Mix and match sauces if that's your jam. Some folks prefer keeping things in the bowl. Yours truly included. Well, if she's gonna act like a kiddo, might as well look the part. Pack the special pacifier with squished food. Just pop it in and savor the flavor. Seriously, where does she pick up these habits? Never too early to learn about proper dental care. Or maybe it is. Good thing dispensers aren't only for ketchup. Add toothpaste and stick it on the wall. Soon you'll be brushing those pearly whites. Nah, you can always brush after chocolate. There's always time for chocolate. If not, make time. After all that munching, another snack won't hurt. Watch those fingers. Oh no, I can't watch. Those poor sausages. This won't happen again. We're prepared. Your hot dogs can relax with this door stopper. Oh, a rubber ducky. And I'm over it. It's a water ball. Just keep it away from your face. Here, let's place it down and fill it up with water. That should do. We don't want it to burst. After all, we could have way more fun bouncing on it. Plus, it's the perfect pillow for a waterbed. And just in time for nap time, too. Okay, where does she keep getting treats? And can I have some? Don't be smug. You probably bought the candy. Still, we need to find some way to tidy up those teeth. This ain't your mama's toothbrush. I mean, it kinda is. You know what I meant. Just clamp down and give it a good swish. Or let it shake, rattle, and roll for you. Leave the hairbirds to 18th century France, shall we? Besides, we've got a new gadget to test out. Snap your hair in and let the styling commence. Now it's time to twist those tresses. And soon you'll have a head full of braids. Bathroom break and a snack break. Guess that's why people don't usually munch in here. Thankfully, this nifty lollipop holder's got your back. Pop it open and it's treat. Normally, you shouldn't share candy, but exceptions can be made. While we're in here, might as well soak in the tub. Oh no, looks like we're fresh out of baby shampoo. Or they tweaked the formula. No biggie. Our fuzzy buddy's ready to share his cone. Actually, he won't mind if you keep it forever. Of course, a bubble beard is the ultimate upgrade. Wow, you really can excavate treasures up there. Real or candy? Either way, no tasting allowed. Let's explore what else is stashed in her. Don't let the name deceive you. ... IT works on noses, too. Would you look at that? She should be paying you an allowance. Wow. Now the tricky part, extracting it. See? Kids practically reimburse you these days. Don't forget her cut. It's her nose. Can she walk yet? Crawling's no good on the palms, though. Scrub those hands! Oh no, there's soap in the soup! Good thing Mom stocked up on dispensers. Suds up and rinse off. Just save some soap for the rest of us. Let's see how many bubbles you can blow. Well, that's a bit less than I expected. No worries, we've got a seal to the rescue. Or is it a sea lion? I can never tell the difference. Whatever it is, look at all those bubbles. It's okay if they pop. We've got more where they came from. Time for the ultimate ping pong showdown. When you're the only player, you win by default. Or lose. Maybe it's an automatic tie. No worries, there are other ways to ping pong. Even the solitaire version. Just hang this up. Pull it down and get ready to paddle! Careful, it's like tetherball all over again. Always important to stay hydrated. Just hold! Whew, lucky it's sealed tight. Ew, what a mess. If only holding it was easier. Well, now it is with this contraption. Hook it up to something sturdy. Attach the bottle at the end. Let's see if she's ready to get back on the horse. Okay, she dropped it, but it didn't hit the floor. And it's even easier to pick up now. Something tells me that's going to be handy. But she's stuffed from all those snacks. At least give the rice a shot. It's an awesome side dish. No, such a waste of B vitamins. Don't worry, this cool plate will help. Especially if you're anti-food touching. Plus some funky construction utensils. Can we eat it? Absolutely. This is a blast. I think she might even try something green. I think she likes it. Wait, aren't you supposed to be eating? Oh well, catch you next time.